I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying there is an actual camera object in the scene and that Blender is pointing to it. Press numpad 0 to attempt camera view. If nothing changes, open the outliner and filter by type camera. Once found, make sure the camera's render and viewport icons are enabled. If the camera is hidden or disabled, enable it now. This step avoids chasing UI glitches and gets you into the first actionable fix immediately. Next, explicitly assign the camera as active. Select it and press Ctrl plus numpad 0. This tells Blender which camera to use when rendering or previewing. Then inspect collections and layer visibility. Cameras can be in disabled collections or have viewport overrides. Make sure the collection containing the camera is visible and not muted. Once done, confirm the outliner icons, show the camera enabled for both viewport. Finish by removing any constraints, drivers, or locked transforms that keep the camera from being recognized. If needed, clear transforms with Alt plus G, Alt plus R, Alt plus S. Then press numpad 0 to test. If you still see no camera, try appending the camera into a new Blender file to rule out file corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle preferences viewport lock camera to view. If enabled, it can make camera navigation behave like no camera exists. That often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.